Hey friends, if the delete volume option is grayed out for USB flash drive on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So the first solution is an SFC scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator to open the elevated command prompt window. Type the command sfc /scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. So this is one solution. The second solution is to run a check disk scan. Search for command prompt once again. Click on Run as Administrator in the right pane. Type the command chkdsk /r/f and hit enter. Press Y and hit enter once again to initiate the scan. And the last one is obviously a clean boot. Search for system configuration in the Windows search bar and open system configuration. Go to the services tab. Check the box associated with Hide all Microsoft services. If any of the services checked, click on disable all, apply, OK, and then restart the system. So this is how you can fix this problem. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.